Guangzhou Mingyue Packaging Machinery Company Limited is a manufacturer for machinery in Guangzhou City, which is mainly engaged in the research and development, design, manufacture, and sale of packaging machines, pharmaceutical equipment line. The management motto of our company is develop through quality, strive for survival through quality. Company specializing in the production of pharmaceutical equipment line and full automatic packing machine, such as grinder machine, dryer, high-efficient mixing machine, tablet press machine, blister packing machine, capsule filling machine, counting machine, tablet sachet packing machine, candy packing machine, and so on. Scope of business involves food, pharmaceutical, chemical, pesticide, hardware, toys, and other industries. Supporting strong can be adapted to the needs of different users. Our machine can be made according to client's demand, and the machine gets CE certification. OEM and ODM are also welcomed. Welcome to inquiry and visit our factory. The company in good faith-based, customer first, people-oriented, science and technology is the first principle. Common development with customers. The implementation of product warranty for 1 year, lifelong service. To provide staff training, technical advice, processing, packing, after-sale repair and maintenance for customers. Long-term supply of equipment spare parts and other customer service project. User demand is our pursuit. We are committed to provide customer service, quality of service for users,